Hello, today we'd like to introduce Perfect Wiki, your AI agent that brings your knowledge right into your Microsoft Teams. Getting started is effortless. You can transform your knowledge into an AI agent in a couple clicks. You can create new page or click import from file, choose Word, Excel, PDF, or even your SharePoint files. Then edit content with a powerful, user-friendly, and AI-powered editor. After that, ask a question and get an answer instantly with a bleeding-edge AI agent. Now let's see how your AI agent answers this question directly in Microsoft Teams chat using your knowledge. Just click Ask Perfect Wiki, and you receive a response. Next option is updating content. Here I have meeting notes I want to add to my knowledge base. Just click Save to Perfect Wiki, Style, Title, and hit Create Page. Use analytics to track AI agents' performance, identify knowledge gaps with unanswered questions, and get visibility into what you users query. You can also deeply integrate your knowledge base into your workflow via Slack, Zapier, ChatGPT, Power Automate, or your browser. Powerful, intuitive, and connected. Build your own AI agent, collaborate seamlessly, and keep knowledge alive anywhere you work. Try Perfect Wiki today to make your knowledge work for you.